Welcome to another video. If this is your first time on this platform, you're welcome. This is Money Tips Online. On this platform, we show you different ways of making money. We try as much as possible to make life very easy for you. On this platform, we try to bring you tips, we bring you tricks, we will help you to we bring you ways of making money online. We also show you the way to transition from being a marketer to being a vendor. So all these things are on our platform. So if you are joining us for the first time, just go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also go ahead and tell your friends about this channel. Join our community. The link to our community is down below this is down below this video. So in this video, I want to introduce you to a platform where there's no limit to the images you can generate. I'm sure most of you have been using ChatGPT, most of you have been using Gemini and the rest of them, and you find out that there's always limitation to the number of things you can do on this platform. So on this particular platform, there's absolutely no limitation. You can create as much video as you want at topmost quality. So the name of the platform is known as lmarena.ai. The name of the website is just go to lmarena.ai. That is the name of the website, lmarena.ai. So when you're on the platform, this is what you will see from the get-go. So all you need to do is to sign up. Go ahead and sign up on the platform. So when you sign up on the platform, then you're good to go. When you sign up, you're good to go. So it will be the screen that will be awaiting you after signing up. So all you need to do is just go ahead and click on this image at the bottom of the left side of your screen. Can you see it? So just click on this image, select this image at the bottom left corner of the screen. So when you select the image, that means you have converted the whole thing into image generation. So you've converted it into image generation. So all you need to do at this point is to select this battle at the top here. Select the battle at the top. I mostly prefer to go with I mostly prefer not to use battle, but it depends on you. You can use any of the option at the top there. You can use any of the option at the top, but most times I prefer to go with I prefer to go with side by side. Most times I prefer to go with side by side, which is the second option on the list, which is this one. I most times prefer to go with this. So what you just need to do is to select side by side. So when you select side by side, what happens? You start seeing two different AI models standing side by side each other. So all you need to do is to select which of the model you want to work with. Now when you click on the first one here by the left, you will see different AI model on the list. Can you see them? There's so much. So most of these AI models give you quality. They give you quality images, but the ones that I will mostly recommend for you is probably you can work with, and I think Gemini gives very good image quality. Gemini gives very smooth image quality. So let's try Gemini. Let's try Gemini and see what we get. So now on at the left hand side, I will be going with, we're having Gemini on the right hand side. So on the left hand side, let me go with something. Let me look at picking something. So you can just choose any AI image generator you want. Just pick anyone. I'm just trying to see the one I will go for. Okay, now let me just pick anyone. Let me go with this second on the list here. So what I need to do now is to type the prompts which I want the AI to generate for me. Now let's say generate a picture of Will Smith eating what should we say? Will Smith is eating it's in, okay, let's say bread and tea. Let's just try bread and tea, and let's see what it will generate for. Let's say generate a picture of Will Smith eating bread and tea. So let's see the output of the AI. So let's just wait. Let's give it a couple of minutes, and let's see what it will generate for us. And don't forget that it will giving up the image side by side. As you can see, the first image by the left hand side is the imagine or imagine, whatever. So that one is what it will generate on the left hand side. Then the other one is the Gemini. So Gemini will be generated on the other side of the screen. So now you can see what it has generated for us. Can you see Will Smith eating bread and tea? Now let's check out the second one. Can you see the second one? So now all you just need to do, the reason why you're having a side by side generation is for you to decide which one would you go for, which one is much more better for you. So if you feel the Gemini production is okay, you can just go ahead and long press on it, then you click on download image. Just click on download image, then your image will be automatically downloaded to your phone or your laptop or your PC. So it depends on what you want. So as you can see, they both did a very great job. Very real. Can you see it? Very real. Now let's generate another one again and compare. Generates a picture of let's say of Rihanna on, okay, let's say live on stage. So all you need to do after that is to click on what? Is to click on generate. So let's see what happens here. Let's see how the quality of the image of Rihanna to be given us will look like. So now this platform is so good. You can generate anything on this platform. So all you need to do is just go ahead and type your prompt, then wait for it to generate the images for you. Can you see it? So now this is the image of Rihanna live on stage. Can you see it? Very clean. Very clean. So you can use this on all different platforms. Like you can use this on social media to generate any image or pictures which you might probably want to use on your platform. You can also use it on WhatsApp. Also. If you are into content creation, whatever you do, this is the hub for you. You don't need to rely on those AI like ChatGPT or whatever that give you limitation every single day. They allow you to generate a picture or two in a single day and expect that you'll be coming the next couple of days to come and continue your. Don't waste your time on that. This is the hub. This is the place. Just come on this platform, download as you want, generate as you want. So once again, you're welcome to this platform. If this is your first time, all you need to do is share and subscribe, follow this platform. If you love the content that we're producing here, just go ahead and share, tell your friends about it, join our growing community, and I can promise you won't regret doing that in the long run. So once again, thank you for joining this channel.